Today we are making carrot bacon. And the idea behind carrot bacon is that you take these carrots, and you slice them real thin, and you mix them in a marinade, and you bake them. And they're going to taste something like bacon. How close are they going to get? We're going to find out. This recipe is floating around the internet. Hopefully it's good. We'll see. Now the first thing about making this is, I suspect, don't hurt yourself cutting these. Don't send yourself to the emergency room. Nobody wants to go there right now. So instead of a knife to slice these, I'm going to recommend a peeler. Kind of take those away, and then we'll slice everyone like this to get them real thin. Now these are so thin that this is just that one carrot. I've got a whole one here I haven't even used yet, and you can see this is a lot of carrot peels. So we're going to kind of sprinkle these with salt and let them sit for just a minute. And we're going to want to squeeze those out with a paper towel. The reason for that, we want to get the water out. While we do that, make our coating. Got some, the recipe calls for coconut oil. This also has bacon grease. I figured I've got bacon grease. Why not help our taste out a little bit? We've got maple syrup. There's sweetness and a maple flavor, but the carrots are already sweet. Got soy sauce for salt. And some smoked paprika, or paprika. Good, so we're going to take all of these, toss them in here, lay them on a piece of parchment paper on a preheated baking sheet, and then stick them in to a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until these cook and get crispy. Ooh, this is kind of satisfying. These look like they'd be pretty good just eating them like this. You can eat raw carrots. Okay, when these come out of the oven, they look like this. And you can see they have not cooked super consistently. We've got some that are obviously burned because they were hanging off the edge and they cooked inconsistently, but others that cooked inconsistently for no apparent reason. But some of these do look vaguely like bacon, like this one. So I don't know what you think. It's got a little bit of a crisp at the edge. It holds its shape. It kind of looks like bacon. Do we think it's going to taste like bacon? That's the real test. Or maybe more accurately, how closely to bacon does it taste? Let's find out. Crunch is good. It's salty enough. It's sweet. What these taste like more than anything is like sweet potato fries. And that's probably not surprising because they are carrots that you baked. They're tasty though. I don't know that I would call this a substitute for real bacon, except if you don't want to eat real bacon because you think pigs are intelligent and interesting creatures and you prefer not to slice them up and eat them, that would be a good reason to make these. Otherwise, if you want these to just stand alone on their own merits, they're quite tasty. I'm going to keep eating them. We'll have to solve the burny bits problem, but that's really just an engineering issue. Well, I hope you like this. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you made these after reading about them on the internet. Let me know if you didn't make them after watching this video. Join me next time in the kitchen when Busy Dad is cooking. Before you go, make sure you click subscribe, like, give me a comment, or share this with a friend.